Hello, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to send Snap from camera roll as normal Snap without filter on iPhone. To start, open your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Once you're here, head on over to the search bar and then search for a username. In here, tap on the two squares on the left corner, next to the capture button. In here, you'll be allowed to access your gallery. Just click on Camera Roll, then click OK. And then in here, you can choose from your camera roll to be imported to Snapchat. Once you're done choosing one, you can now edit the phone as much as you like. You can even turn this into a sticker. Go ahead, edit it as your preference. Go ahead, take your time. Once satisfied of making everything a sticker, you will now have an exact copy of your image. Then you can delete this. Then the next step is to save, and then you can click on Save and Replace. Then in here, you'll see that over at Camera Roll, you already have an exact copy of your first image. Then in here, tap on the square icon. Then as you can see, everything is now part of the sticker, and look at these two sunflowers that we have as a copy. Again, this was from our Camera Roll. Now you can tap on the image, then click Send To, and then now choose which username will receive this snap. You can do this for every other conversation as well. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.